Hello YouTube, Tumbo 1984 here. Today's video is the first in a series of videos looking at the potential use, if any, of airsoft equipment in a without rule of law, stroke, shit at the fan type scenario. As many preppers know, airsoft equipment is both cheap and plentiful in comparison to its real life counterparts. As a result, it is fair to say that more airsoft gear is going to be sitting in the average Joe's bedroom than actual real life military and or tactical gear. So the question is, would this gear have any value whatsoever in a shit at the fan situation, or is it more likely to do you any harm? Let's find out. Okay, so what we're looking at today is an airsoft replica of the American-made Pascat military helmet, which is personal armour system ground troop. The original is actually made from Kevlar. It was introduced, I believe, in the 1980s. Now, today's airsoft version is essentially made from ABS. Looks rather flimsy. Brought this from eBay. Now, as we can see, it looks good-ish. Provides protection around the ears. Comes down well over the head. And provides protection around the back of the head. Okay, so now I'll take a close look at the helmet itself. Looking inside, we can see that the liner system is really cheap. Not very good at all. When you put it on your head, it wobbles around. Not really happy with that. Now, the ABS plastic itself is, I would say, about 2mm thick, which again is not very good. So to the question of what would this helmet protect against? Do I think it would protect against a blow from a baton, perhaps? No. My honest opinion is it would shatter. I have no doubt about that whatsoever. Would it provide protection against a BB? I doubt it. I really do doubt it. So what we're going to be testing this helmet against today are going to be commonly encountered weapons within the United Kingdom. As I'm sure you probably picked up from my accent, that's where I live. So we will be testing it against a 2.2 air rifle. If it survives that, then we will be moving up to the Cobra pistol crossbow. And if it survives that, we will be moving up to a 120-pound draw weight Mancun crossbow, firing a 14-inch fiberglass bolt. Okay YouTube, first test, 2.2 air rifle. Looks like it's penetrated to me. Let's move on to the crossbow. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so as we can see here, the bolt and the pellet both clearly penetrated the helmet. Didn't seem to offer any resistance whatsoever. However, on closer inspection, you can actually see that the liner actually saved the head from getting a hole in it. So we'll set this up again and we'll try again, see if we can miss the liner. This time we see clear penetration. Yeah. Bolt is actually stuck into the head of the mannequin now. I don't know if you can see that. But the bolt has gone in. Yeah. That is how far the bolt travelled into the mannequin's head. Granted, it's only made of rubber, polystyrene filling, but the results still speak for themselves. Take a close look at the inside of the helmet. Clear holes from the air rifle and the 6.5-inch bolt. Move around to the second shot, and again a clear hole. So conclusion, is an airsoft helmet better than nothing at all? No. Okay YouTube, now just for a little bit of fun. Quickly try a baton. As I suspected, helmet is completely broken in half. No use whatsoever, that was with one strike. Now let's try Fairbane's. Again, no resistance. Thanks for watching.